Hey everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's the 2026 BMW M2, an individual frozen pure gray metallic with the black interior. All right, so this is the 2026 BMW M2 in frozen pure gray metallic. This is an individual paint color. And I've just pressed unlock on the key, so we've got the DRLs on here. And if I go ahead and press panic for 1 Mississippi, full pathway lighting, which depicts the full low beam system on. So now that we've got the car lit up, let's do a little lap all the way around. The car is all wet right now. Gave it a bit of a spray down. And this paint looks really sweet. It really shows off the body lines very nicely. So now that we've had a chance to do this full lap, let's take a closer look at all the details. So we have individual frozen pure gray metallic. This is actually the second M2 that I've seen in this paint. And although the color profile itself is kind of like skyscraper gray, it's frozen. So it's got this matte type of finish, and that's what BMW labels as frozen paint. And as you can see, it really shows off the lines coming off the A-pillar. And we've got the beautiful power dome right in the middle here. And right up front here, we've got the BMW Rondelle. And we have the horizontal kidney grills with the horizontal double slats. And for the LCI, we've got the black M2 badging with the silver outline there. And down here, I can see that this one does not have any advanced driver assist stuff. And we've got rad back there. And we've got some sensors, tow hook spot, and big square air intake ducts on either side. So lots of air going in there for intercoolers, oil coolers, brake ducts, aerodynamics, all of the above. And let's get those headlights on once again. Looks sweet. And now that the headlights are on, let's take a closer look at these headlights. So these are the Shadowline BMW LED headlights. Kind of dirty, as you can see, but wanted to do my best to try and still shoot videos even though we've got like extremely cold weather conditions out there. But love this headlight design. Very simple, straight to the point. One light on each side, which is not like your classic BMW design language, but reminiscent of the past 2002 model. So if we come around to the side here, you'll see that we have the 19-inch front and the 20-inch rear double spoke 930M wheels in jet black with the blue M compound brake back there. So that looks sweet. I really like this wheel setup, and we've got some Pirelli P0s on there. Now, I just love how the body lines look on the frozen paint. It looks so nice. So side profile, I think M2 looks very sports car. I love the boxy fenders. Looks sweet. We have body colored M-wing mirror. This one has the carbon fiber roof. We have the flush integrated door handles with touch comfort access. We have the new style antenna. We have the Hofmeister kink here. And just take a look at the proportions here of this massive rear quarter. That looks sweet. And there's your rear 20-inch 930M wheel. And we have a little spoiler on the trunk lid in body color. And let's go to the back here. So let's get those inverted L-shaped lights, tail lights on. We've got the vertical reflectors on the widest section on each side. We've got the rear diffuser down here with the quad exhaust. Black M2 badging with the silver lining as per the LCI. And I've got the key with me. Press and hold the tailgate button. There's also a little switch here right beside the rear view camera. So if I lift that up, inside we have front plate bracket, winter mats, carpet mats, all the mats in the world. And we've got release levers here and here to fold down the seats in a 60-40 split. Over here, glow-in-the-dark handle in case you get stuck in there. This side, we have grocery bag hanger here, little netted area that has a tire inflator kit with your wheel lock key and tow hook. And there's a little handle on either side, so you can do this and have the trunk lid close without you touching the exterior. Now if we come around to the passenger side, on the rear corridor, you're going to find the fuel cap door, which is connected to the central locking system. So when the car is unlocked, you can press on 9 o'clock, door opens. We're looking for 93 octane. BMW M recommends Shell V-Power. It's counterclockwise, one click to open this. Woo! Frozen. Little spot to put this, and clockwise, one click to close, and then you just simply shut the door. Now, if I approach the passenger side, you'll see that we have touch comfort access on this door handle as well. So once I open that up, you'll see inside we have Harman Kardon sound system. We have these triangular patterns on the door panel, which we'll see more of in the back seating area. We have the M illuminated highlighters on the door here, which this lights up. And we've got some nice stitching going around here. Unlock, lock, window control. Big deep door pocket, aluminum M2 door sill. And look at this, we've got the beautiful carbon fiber bucket seats with the M highlighter colors on here, which look amazing. And this, of course, has the side bolster adjustment, no lumbar. We have carbon fiber on the crotch. We have M2 lit up on the headrest. And of course, we've got the beautiful M tricolors going all the way around the seat. Nice stitching, more tricolors here. And we have carbon fiber on the dash, soft touch materials up here as well. New vent design, glove box down here. And if I go ahead and pull this little M tricolor and move this into the acute angle to reveal all this beautiful carbon fiber, the seat does move forward, allowing us space to get into the rear. We have also the M tricolor seat belts, front and rear. And back here, more triangle patterns over here. Coat hanger on the back of the B pillar. Two headrests in the back. They can flip up or flip down. No armrest in the rear. We just have a center pass-through. Lights up top. M tricolor seat belts in the back. And there are only two seating positions back here. We have some vents in the back of the center console. And down here, we also have some more vents underneath the carbon fiber seats. And once you're done looking at these crazy seats, put the seat back, it will go back to its previous position. Now in the center here, we do have the curved display with iDrive 8.5, and the M cars get the M specific layout. Cascading ambient light, more vents. Down here, there's a storage space. USB-A cup holders, 12-volt plug, manual gearbox with the M tricolor shift boot, red push start button, and we have the iDrive controller moved because of the gear shifter, and some nice stitching on the center console cover. Lift that up, wireless charger and USB Type-C, and it's illuminated in there. So now that we've had a chance to look through the passenger door, let's shut this door. We'll go to the driver door next. All right, so if we approach from the driver's side, once I open up that door, you'll see that we again have Harman Kardon sound system. We have the M highlighters here, memory seats, both window switches, side mirror controls, tailgate pop button, aluminum M2 door sill, and again, we've got M carbon buckets. You can also remove that headrest if you need a little bit more space for your helmet if you're on track. And man, these seats just look amazing. And then of course we have the new flat bottom steering wheel with carbon fiber on the face of the steering wheel and M tricolor stitching all the way around. And we've got the red M1 and M2 config buttons. We also have the head-up display here. And up top you'll see that we have an SOS button for roadside assistance, some reading lights, and we have some buttons here for universal garage door opener underneath the rearview mirror. And if I pull this down, you'll see that we have the lights turning on with the mirror. This can also come out and it can extend. And we've got some microphones up top for Bluetooth. And down here, we have your signal stock. There's a release lever for your steering column here. And we've got exterior lighting controls. There are your 3 pedals down here with your dead pedal. And right down here is your hood release. It says 2 times on it, so it's 1, 2. So we arrive to the front. We won't have to find anything underneath here. You just have to lift this up. And there it is, the beautiful S58 3-liter inline-6 twin turbo. And this one has 473 horsepower, 406 foot-pounds of torque. We have the nice triangular strut brace, positive battery, negative battery, washer fluid. Don't put anything but regular washer fluid in your BMW in this gen. And look how awesome that looks. We have 2 latches on the BMW hood. So it just means they both have to latch at the same time in order to latch properly. So if I bring the hood about halfway, literally just center down. Beauty. All right, so before we conclude the video, I just wanted to do one more lap all the way around the vehicle. Paint looks amazing. Look at this thing. I mean, the M2 is already a neck breaker, but in this paint, probably break your neck and need a neck brace after for the rest of your life. And I do like to do a remote engine start, cold start, but manual transmission does not have preconditioning from the key. It only has pre-ventilation, which doesn't start the motor. It just turns on the ventilation system to expel the hot air out of the car, so definitely not something you want to use in these cold Canadian temperatures right now. So how do you like this spec 2026 BMW M2 manual transmission in individual frozen gray with the M carbon buckets? Let me know in the comments below. All right, everyone, so that was my tour of this beautiful 2026 BMW M2 in individual frozen deep gray metallic with the M carbon bucket seats inside, M carbon roof, and 6-speed manual transmission. So if you like the car, if you like the video, if you like me, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll put the pricing information in the description below. Please follow me on Instagram. It's @AlanBMWDurham. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.